Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set a Chevrolet Spark timing chain. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery's negative terminal. Next, you will need to remove the valve cover and the crankshaft pulley to gain clear access to the timing components. It is crucial to then rotate the engine until cylinder 1 is at its top dead center position, preparing for precise alignment. With the engine at top dead center, carefully align the crankshaft sprocket mark with the designated mark on the engine block. Then, rotate the camshaft sprockets until their specific marks perfectly align with the corresponding points on the cylinder head. This precise alignment of both crankshaft and camshaft marks is absolutely critical for correct engine operation and must be double-checked. Now, carefully install the new timing chain, making sure it is taut on the tension side between the crankshaft and camshaft sprockets. Next, mount the timing chain tensioner according to the manufacturer's specific instructions, ensuring it applies the correct pressure. Before moving on, visually confirm that the chain is properly seated on all sprockets and guides for optimal performance. After installation, manually rotate the engine 2 full revolutions using a wrench on the crankshaft bolt. This confirms smooth operation and ensures no interference. Then, recheck all timing marks one last time to verify they remain perfectly aligned after rotation. Finally, reassemble all removed components. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.